Let me tell you about the Dakinis. They're called the sky spirits or the sky dancers. They live in the subterranean caves in the highest peaks of the Himalayan mountains, where they've been seen flying through the air. The Dakinis are ethereal female messengers of wisdom who help with an individual's spiritual development, who bring healing, who bring aid, or who leads the seeker to spiritual enlightenment. The revered Tenzen Palmo spent 13 years alone in one of the Tibetan caves. One year, she was snowed in by an avalanche and she thought she would die. In total darkness, she lost all sense of direction to the outside world. Suddenly, she intuitively followed a direction and was able to dig herself out. There, she saw several Dakinis dancing in the snow outside her cave. Dakinis are elusive by nature and playful. Trying to intellectually nail down what they are is missing the essence of who they really are. Tenzen Palmo calls them the invisible, intuitive force that women get in a flash that guides them to a wise understanding or solution. These luminous, ethereal beings are benign as well as wrathful. They are the unbridled consorts of the 21 powerful Taras. The Dakinis assume the roles as wise guides in the unseen worlds, and they act as fierce protectors in the visible worlds. The Dakinis will rip open your blockages. When you try to hide, she reveals. When you hold on to old beliefs, she will cut them away. She embodies the powerful, the sacred, the creative, the fierce, the wild, the healing, the nurturing, and the freedom-loving nature of the divine feminine. Each of the 5 main wisdom Dakinis represent the 5 elements: air, fire, water, earth, and ether. Forget what you already know about the elements. If one of these 5 comes to you, let her tell you what she represents, or what she brings in relation to your question. What I want you to do is go on an imaginary trip with me to the high peaks of the Himalayas. There, we'll enter the cave of the Dakinis, where you'll experience one of them. All you have to do is relax, listen, and let them appear.